Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll discuss about how to convert decimal number to binary number. We already have shown how to do that. In this video we'll take one example. So here the number, decimal number that we want to convert, that is 13. From base 10 to we want to convert it into the base 2, that means decimal to binary. So for this, what we have to do, we just have to divide it by 2 with the radix of the binary number system, that is 2. So here it will be 6, the remainder will be 0, not 0, because 2 into 6, that will be 12. 13 minus 12 equals to 1, so that is why remainder will be 1. So you have to remember this point. Okay, now what we'll do, again we'll divide it by 2, then it will be 3, and 3 into 2, that will be 6, so that's why remainder will be 0. Now this time again we have to divide it by 2, so now it will be 1 and the remainder will be 1. Okay, again we have to divide it by 2, then this time what do we have to do, again we have to divide. Now if we divide it, then we are dividing 1 by 2, so 2 goes into 0 times completely, so the quotient will be 0 over here. And but remember, there is a 1 left over because 2 cannot fully divide 1, so that's why the remainder will be 1. Okay, so here the answer would be like in this format. So answer will be 1101, 1101. So if we'll convert 13 decimal number to binary number system, it would be 1101. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this question, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to solve your problem, or if further more explanation required, you can also write a comment as well. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.